Hi everybody. Today I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to buy Bitcoin using your PayPal balance. This tutorial is designed for beginners and I'll make sure every part is easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you need a PayPal account. If you don't already have one, go to paypal.com and sign up. Make sure your account is verified. That means adding your phone number, linking a bank account or a card, and confirming your identity if asked. You also need to have some money in your PayPal balance. You can add money by receiving payments, transferring from your bank, or using another funding method supported in your country. Now, let's move on to the actual process of buying Bitcoin. There are two common ways to do this using your PayPal balance. One is using PayPal's built-in crypto service. The other is through a third-party crypto exchange that accepts PayPal as a payment method. Let's start with the easiest one, using PayPal directly. Log into your PayPal account. On the main dashboard, look for the crypto section. You'll usually find it in the top menu or on the home screen. Tap or click on it. This will open a page where you can see various cryptocurrencies that PayPal supports. Choose Bitcoin. Now you will see the current price of Bitcoin and a button that says Buy. Click on Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend using your PayPal balance. For example, you can type in $20 or more. Below the amount, make sure the payment method is set to PayPal balance. If not, tap on the payment method and choose your balance. Once everything looks correct, click the Buy button. You may be asked to confirm your purchase. Read the summary, then confirm. Within seconds, your Bitcoin will be available in your PayPal crypto account. You can track its value, hold it, or sell it back later if you choose. Keep in mind that when you buy Bitcoin on PayPal directly, you don't get a crypto wallet address. This means you cannot send Bitcoin out to other wallets unless your country supports crypto withdrawals from PayPal. If you want to send Bitcoin to another wallet, you'll need to use a third-party crypto exchange instead. Let's go over how to do that using a crypto exchange that accepts PayPal as a payment method. One example is Paxful. Another is eToro. There are others, but we will use Paxful as the example. Go to paxful.com and create an account. Once your account is verified, go to the Buy Bitcoin section. You'll see a filter menu where you can select how you want to pay. Choose PayPal as the payment method. Then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Now you'll see a list of sellers. These are people offering to sell Bitcoin and accept PayPal as payment. Choose a seller with a high rating and many completed trades. Click Buy next to the seller's name. You'll see the trade terms. Read them carefully. Many sellers require that your PayPal account is verified and that you send a screenshot of the payment. If you agree with the terms, enter the amount and start the trade. The seller's Bitcoin will be held in escrow while you send them the money. Log in to your PayPal account and send the amount to the PayPal address the seller provides. Make sure you follow all their instructions. From there, you can hold your Bitcoin on Paxful, send it to another wallet, or trade it again. Remember that when using third-party platforms, there are risks. Always trade with reputable sellers and never send money outside the platform. That's it. You've just learned how to buy Bitcoin using your PayPal balance. Whether you use PayPal's own crypto feature or a marketplace like Paxful, always stay safe, double-check details, and understand the fees involved before confirming any transaction.